In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Xbox app is not working or opening on your PC. The first thing I suggest you do is you open up the Microsoft Store, and in here we want to check if you have any updates for the Xbox app. So head over to Library down here, and in here what you want to do is you want to see if there's anything that needs an update. So you can find Xbox, and it should be around here, Xbox, right here. You want to see if this one says update. If it doesn't, if it just says open, like here, then what you can do is you can come here and search for Xbox, and then you want to find the Xbox app, which is usually by scrolling a little bit down until we get here, this one. What you want to do is click on it, and if it says open here, then it doesn't need an update. But if it says update, you want to take that one. After that, what I suggest you do is you come here and then you search for Xbox, find the app and right click on it, go to app settings. Then in here you want to press terminate, press repair, and after it's done repairing, you want to press reset. So just like this and reset. Then you want to wait for that to reset and then it should be fine. Now after that, what you can do is come here and search for services, open up services, press anywhere and press X, and you should have about 4 Xbox something, Xbox accessory, Xbox Live. What you want to do is you want to do this on all 4 of these. Click on it, double click, go to automatic, choose start, apply, and OK. Then you want to do that as well for this one, automatic, it's already started, so that's fine. And then you want to do it for all of these 4. Once you've done that, the last thing you can do is you can open up the Windows PowerShell, search for PowerShell, run as an administrator, and in here you want to type in this command: get space dash appx package space Microsoft.gaming services with capital M, capital G, and capital S. Paste it, type it in here, press enter, and this should pop up, and then it should be good to go. Now check if this works, and then what you can do is you can restart your PC after you've done this, and then it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.